Hello. Good morning. Yes, in the last video, we gave ourselves a task. We were asked to print a given string in a reverse order. To the best of my knowledge, there's no inbuilt function to do that. But I did promise that I will show you how to do that programmatically, not with slicing, but just to do that with a for loop. So in this video, I'll show you that. Let's get started. Let's say our given string can be uh, Nigeria or any country or anything, any variable. That can be a given string. Then we can run a for loop using range. But let me make us understand something that when we run a for loop for I in name, then say print, we will do this I, print I. It will give us the string just the way it is. But this time we don't want the string the way it is. We want the string to be given us in a reverse order. Let me point this out. We can do this actually in the print function without doing the new line. And with and so this, okay, and do this, okay. What I want it end, not ends, please. And so it will just give us Nigeria that way without it giving us in a new line. So I want to show you, when we do range, we do list range of what, let me say, okay, of range of the length of our variable name. Now what will this give us? It will give us from 0 to the last stop. And when we print this, it will exclude the length of the variable Nigeria is 7. When we see this, the length of name 7. So the range of it starts from 0 and ends at 6. So it will not include the last number. So for us to do that, we can first include the last length in the range. We can do something like this. So the length of this plus 1. You see this, it gives us the range from 0 to 7. And in a situation like this, when we do this, do this function, I'll replace this name with the range of this. I will replacing with the print, not I this time, but name. We are slicing name I. So what will be our stuff? Nigeria. Nigeria is printed, but it's giving us that index out of range because of that +1 here. So we want to do it in a reverse way. We want to do that in a reverse way. So for us to do that in a reverse way, we just need to put a minus sign here, a minus sign there. Then I will take it step by step so I will see how we built, how we solved it step by step. When I put a minus step sign, you see, it gives me nothing. It gives me nothing. So in order for me to do this, I have to make use of, because the range of this is actually nothing. Range of this is actually nothing. So for me to do that, I have to make use of my step here to be minus one. And you see, it has given me some parts, but it's not giving me all the parts. So get all the parts, then I notice that there's a shortage here. So the range will start from minus one to this. And I have this, but it's not complete yet. I'm still missing some variable. When I do this, okay, eradicate this plus one and see what will happen, gives you, but the n is not included. So how can you include that first letter n? How can you include the first letter n? You can practically include that. This is a step. Let's do this not plus one, but minus one. Minus one. And see we have printed the list in a reverse order. Nigeria, name, can say name, print name, give us Nigeria. Then actually you can, the reverse of name is equal to this, Nigeria. So you see that we can also do this using list comprehension. What I mean by list comprehension, that will be very fast. Now we are iterating over days. So just do this. Sorry, I'm copying and paste to make life easy for me. Then what am I doing for I in that range? Then what do I want? I want it to print, print name I, print name I. So it prints date for me. And this no you are seeing there is simply because I am making use of the print. So if I do away with the print, I do away with the print, actually gives me what I want. Nigeria. Nigeria gives me Nigeria in the other aspect. So in a situation like this, I can easily say reverse, name reverse equal to, sorry, not this. Instead of put a string, I want it to be a string, not a list. So I pull this and I end this. I can say name. I have my name and name reverse. So what is Nigeria? So you can easily see how we can do this programmatically, how we can change, how we can print a list in reverse order. So in this video, I've just showed you how you can make use of your print function without actually printing in a new line. That printing in a new line, you change the end width and you put just an empty double quote. By default, the print works with a new line, printing each character in a new line. But when you change, you want to put everything on a line, you do away with that ends with new line, which is by default, and you put the end bracket double end double bracket as double quote as in this way. If I have now equals to United States I want to print United States and not in a new line for I in NAM print I for I in NAM nine. So it prints United States for me. But if I don't want to print United States on new line, what I'll simply do is I'll do this, then comma, and just either a single or double quote, and it prints it for me, United States. So we've seen that in this video, and also seen how we can print a given string in a reverse order using the for loop. We just have to use their negative range, using the negative range, and it solves that for us. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, react to our videos, and please feel free to comment. Also, share to make the world going easy. Help someone by sharing this content. Thank you. Do have a nice day. Do have a nice weekend. Bye.